Good morning students, I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri Neat Chemistry. Today I am going to upload the one video to the Physical Chemistry Aiims 2019. Now let us see the question. The question is vapor pressure of the pure CaCl3 and CH2Cl2 are 241.5 atmospheric pressure respectively. The weight of CaCl3 and CH2Cl2 are 11.9 gram and the 17 gram. The vapor pressure of the solution will be. The options are there. Okay, now let us see what is the data given. Okay, after writing the data, we will have some idea. Now the vapor pressure of this is given in order. You write CaCl3 and then CH2Cl2. Same order you write CH2Cl2. And here its pressure is 200. Its pressure is 41.5. What is this? Is your P0. The weight of this is, okay, weight of this is given as a 11.9 gram and here it is 17 gram. What is the formula for this is, that is, pressure of the solution is equal to vapor pressure at the pure solvent into mole fraction. This is, by adding these two, we can get the total pressure. Now our work is to find out the mole fraction of this and mole fraction of this we have to calculate. Now let us see first them. What is mole fraction formula is? Mole fraction is total number of moles. Mole fraction formula is, this is mole fraction, individual number of moles divided by the total number of the moles is called mole fraction. Now let us see first one. What is the number of moles equal to given weight by molar mass? Now let us see the CaCl3. For this the molar masses here. For CaCl3. Now the 35.5. This is I am writing for 3 chlorine and 1 carbon and 1 hydrogen. Add everything. So 15 here now. What is it? 15, 17, 18. Okay, here 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 1, 10. Okay, 11. This is your molar mass. So here given weight is 11.9 and then molar mass is this is. Okay, now find out this on simplification. This one we can do it here. Okay, now into. So now what we are getting is 1 into 10 power minus 1. Same thing here you have to do for this. For this molar mass I am calculating carbon 12, hydrogen 2, chlorine 71. So 5, 6, 8. So now here the number of moles equal to given weight. What is given weight is here? It is the 17 divided by 85, that is equal to 1.5. 1 divided by 5. So what is 1 by 5 is equal to, we can take it as a point. What is this? Is the number of moles of your, that is CH2Cl2. This is number of moles of your chloroform. Now what is total number of moles? Total number of mole is equal to, what is it? 0.1 plus 0.2 is equal to 0.3. Now let us go to the, for this your, what is it called, pressure of your chloroform is equal to, its pressure is 200 into its mole fraction is individual number of moles 0.1 divided by 0.3. So now this is cancelling 1 by 3. It is equal to, now we are getting 6 and then what is it called, 6. Yes, 0.6. Okay, now we are getting a 66.6. This is the vapor pressure of your chloroform. Same thing we have to do here. So what is the vapor pressure here? Gives here pure solvent is 41.5 into, what is the individual number of mole? 0.2 divided by total number 0.3. Both are here, it is 41.5 into 2 by 3. Now this is on cancelling 1. And here, now I am going to take it as a 12 itself. So now what you are getting is your, now take it as a, that is called 42. 42 on division with the 3, 1 and 4. Okay, now this is 14 into 2, you are getting 28. So now you are getting the Now you are getting the, you can see children, this is for your chloroform, this is for CH2Cl2. Now what these two things on the total pressure. Total pressure is equal to your pressure of vapor pressure of chloroform plus your vapor pressure of CH2Cl2, that is 66.6. Adding this one, you are getting is remaining, yes, you are getting 94.6. So now let us go and see the option here. 94.6, your C option. Okay children, again I am repeating, the sum they are giving the vapor pressure of pure solvent is given and weight is given. They are asking total pressure. For total pressure you have to find out the individual pressure, then add it. So what is the formula for it? You have to first calculate the mole fraction. For this is the first formula and this is number of mole. To that you have to calculate for chloroform and methylene chloride. So now you are getting here, this is for this vapor pressure and this vapor pressure, total you are getting. So this one like this you have to do. Now let us go to the next question. Next question is solid state. The tetrahedral voids are present in 0.5 mole of HCP crystal structure. Okay, so they are asking how many tetrahedral voids are in 0.5 mole of HCP. This is the question. Okay, now let us see what is the thing is regarding for HCP, number of atoms per unit cell is the 6. What is number of tetrahedral void? Formula is 2Z, that is equal to 2 into 6, that is equal to 12. This is the total number of voids per mole. They are asking total number of moles, for example 0.5 mole. So per mole is 12. 0.5 mole is into this is 1 mole is understood always with the Avogadro number. Okay, now let us see here 12 into 0.5 is become 6 into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23, 66 or 36 into 10 power 23. So now this is the one decimal. This is I am bringing here on division. So this should be a multiply. So your answer is 3.6 into 10 power 24. This is your option. This question seems to be a somewhat different question. Okay, now what is the question is? Tetrahedral voids are present in 0.5 mole of HCP crystal structure. So what is our knowledge? We know only the HCP is number of packing atom is equal to 6 per unit cell. What is number of tetrahedral void? 2 into Z. Okay, based on that, what is 12? So this is for 12 per mole. Understood? 1 mole is which is containing Avogadro number. So very important point is this your Avogadro number. So this is for 1 mole. This is for 0.5 mole into Avogadro number. You are getting the answer. Okay, children. This is combination of solid state and the basic chemistry. Now let us see the last question. This very simple question for the thermodynamics. Lesson is thermodynamics. At 25 degrees centigrade, 1 mole of butane is heated, that carbon dioxide and water liquid is formed. Work done is Aiims 2019. So, what they are asking is combustion of butane. Write down the formula for butane is C4H10 plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water on combination. This is 4 and here 5. Okay, now here you are having 4 into 8, 5, that is 13. So now you are this is. Okay, let us find out the delta N is equal to, here it is liquid state, don't take it, this is the gaseous state. All are this is gaseous state. So now 4 minus this is 6 and half plus 1 7 and half. So what you are getting is minus 3 and half. Okay, let us go to the work done. Next we are going to the work done is equal to minus P delta V is equal to minus delta NGRT, that is equal to minus of minus 3 and half into RT 0.082 into, usually we should take temperature is 298. For convenient, I am taking a 300, easy for our calculation. Now minus into minus plus, and here it is, I am bringing as a fraction. So it is writing as a 7 by 2 into, this is as a into 100 means become 8.2 into 3. Okay, now it is getting cancelled 4.1. So on multiplication, 4 3s are 21, or I can go 7 into 4, 28 into 3 is equal to 8 3s are 24, remaining to 3 2s are 84. So your answer is now 84 nearing. What we are getting is 85.6. Okay, because we did here the roundup here. So now your answer is 85.6. Now I am repeating the last sum, children. What is the question is? They are asking the work done for combustion. So write the now thermochemistry combustion equation, that is burning on oxygen. Find out the delta Ng. Formula for work done is only minus P delta V, since that is equal to minus delta Ng RT. So what is our trick is here to find out the delta Ng. For this very important point, you should not include the water, because it is in the, it is given carbon dioxide and water liquid is formed. So it is very important tips for us. Based on that, you calculate the delta Ng and find out, children. Here important value or all values taken in terms of liter atmosphere. Okay, children, now today I have completed this one. So very important point, already I told this. So 25 questions out of 45 questions are very simple. That is, I cannot say simple, it is the direct question that won't bring any difference. However, how many numbers you are answering them, tough questions will bring a seat for you. So you require lot of practice. So experience more test, and then more questions, it will bring the good mark for you. All the best, children. Thank you.